Hello! Generative artificial intelligence is a true revolution of creativity and innovation. It expands our thinking, inspires new possibilities, and defines the future of the technology. It combines mathematics, art, and intelligence in a marvel which changes our way to share the world forever. Not just in these words and sentences, but with the same enthusiasm, the apress ebook Understanding Generative AI Business Applications tells us about generative AI. Keyword in the title of the book is understanding. This is description and explanation book. No code, no schema, no tables, only text, well-structured text. At first tells us this book, of course, about what generative AI is and how it was developed historically. Among of other things, generative AI is compared with discriminative AI. The generative AI understands data and creates new data, and discriminative AI understands differences in the data and separates different data from each other. Concrete content in the book is very seldom. One of the seldom concrete content is data about positive effects of the using of artificial intelligence tools in enterprises, in some companies, such as productivity, profit, customer satisfaction, and so on. Of course, one of the most important area of the using of artificial intelligence in the company is customer support. That's why design of chatbot is explained very detailed. All working steps are listed and explained in a structured text as everything in the book. Then GPT is compared with Claude 2 and Google Bard. Very detailed comparison. Shortly said, GPT is versatile, Claude 2 is adaptable, and Google Bard has connection to scientific databases. In the section about generative AI in sentiment analysis, some tools used are explained, named and explained. Natural language processing libraries such as NLTK, machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and so on, pre-trained models as GPT, cloud-based AI services, open source tools, and so on. Of course, generative AI, which is able to create and to replicate senses of human, are discussed. Video, audio, touch, olfactory, and so on. In the section about autonomy AI agents, some important machine learning algorithms are named and explained. Well-known supervised, non-supervised, semi-supervised learning algorithms, and others, among of them evolutionary algorithms. One of them, genetic algorithms, works similar as human evolution. It starts with a random population of solutions. Each of them is evaluated. The best will be chosen and build new generation of population of solutions, and so on and so on. Generative AI agents are compared with traditional chatbots and virtual assistants. Real-world study cases are discussed in a structured text, as everything in the book. And the last chapter of the book is dedicated to the future of generative AI and AI in common. Hypothetically, discussion about the future of generative AI. Of course, artificial intelligence will be more and more able to replicate human senses and emotions. For example, texts will be created by facial expression. Artificial intelligence will be democratized. More and more individuals will be able to use computer to develop applications and AI tools for their own needs. So the areas will be developed which now are forgotten, because some people in our societies are forgotten. For example, because they are not enough, many of them. Artificial intelligence will be integrated with quantum computing. Quantum is known have their own very specific qualities. For example, quant can have several states at the same moment, and every state can be preceded by computer. So artificial intelligence models can be trained with unbelievable high speed, with unbelievable results. And of course, education systems will be another better. Real-time possibilities of artificial intelligence will make education systems to dynamic platforms, which will be able to pass themselves to the needs of individuals. Virtual reality will be available in any knowledge area. It will be possible to learn history in the time of the learning, in any past time of the learning, for example, and so on and so on. Very long and very detailed discussion. The future will be very nice, but of course not from themselves, but only if we do a lot for this. So I wish you great success on your doing for the better future. Goodbye.